Hello, welcome back to Clicks Fix. We're opening now for the sealed event. Oh, I want him. Man, Cyborg is awesome. Oh, and the Prime. You got the Prime, right? Prime Chase, whatever. What's his face? Awesome. Let's see if I got anything decent. Cards. Oh, yes. Red Hood Gang. I want all of those. Red Hood, Lady Shiva, Lucius Fox. Definitely wanted him. And the rare badge. Already got him, but yeah. Definitely want Lucius Fox. Badge might be good for sealed. That's not too bad. Here, got Assassin, Batman, the #1, right? I think it's pretty good. Is that Tweedledee or Tweedledum? Tweedledee. Ooh, Ratcatcher. Ratcatcher, nice. And Deadman thingy. So, nothing super great for this seal, but see how it goes.